With the rebrand, we developed our showroom. The idea of this showroom is to provide everything that a yacht steward or stewardess would want for the interiors. So that could be anything from the crew linens to the guest linens to the table accessories and the museum gel. So something from very small to a major project or a major refit.
Having the workshop in-house is a great tool for the stewardesses. In terms of the timescale to turn things around, it's a lot quicker than sending it away to Italy or the UK or wherever. We normally have a turnaround time, we always say 2 to 3 weeks, but it can be a lot quicker. We can always help a stewardess that's in dire straits because of something that's gone wrong on charter. We're here to de-stress and take all the responsibility of whatever's gone wrong. We try and fix it for them, or we will fix it for them. So we're the best place to come to in that respect because we've got the workshop, we can turn things around very quickly, we don't have to wait for so long. We have a lot of things in stock. If a service prong or whatever's gone missing, we have it here and they can just take it away. And that solves their issue quite quickly and hopefully to their satisfaction.
What makes us different is that we are a one-stop shop for the yacht stewardesses. We try to give our customers, our clients, the same service that they're having to give to their customers. Their customers are the guests on board or the owner of a super yacht, and we believe that our clients, the steward or the stewardess on board, needs that same level of commitment, that same level of customer service and that same level of quality.